lovely people, welcome back to Arty Island Girl Jamaican Vlogs. I just have 3 brief updates for you today. First, Old Hospital Park is still closed, unfortunately. I'm not sure why it's still closed. I have an idea, but can you think of a good reason? If so, let me know in the comments. The Old Hospital Beach, however, has been reopened. They were closed for several months in order to rehabilitate the groins along the coastline. The aim of the project was to reduce coastal erosion. The groins help to protect the beach by interrupting the waves that crash on the shoreline, thereby preventing the beach or the sand from being washed away. I went into a bit more information about groins in one of my last updates on this project. At the end of this video, I will link that in the description box and you can have a look at it if you want. Howard Cook Boulevard Bridge has now been reopened. Initially, the project was started on August 21st, was expected to last for 6 weeks. But surprisingly enough, it's already finished. As a matter of fact, work ended Sunday the 4th, just in time for the reopening of schools. I visited the bridge on Monday. Here's a look at it. The early finish has been attributed to a number of things, few things. Contractors working hard to complete it before the start of school because they know it would cause traffic congestion, and the use of a concrete mix that allowed for fast drying and helped to shorten the work time. Are you surprised by this development, them finishing earlier than scheduled? So that's it for today. If you want to learn more about Jamaica's new tourism zone and other tourism and traveling updates, watch this next video.